Hi there, and welcome to the Search Engine Optimization, also known as SEO Playbook. Follow this simple step-by-step playbook to create an effective SEO plan and optimize your website to increase traffic and support your marketing goals. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout this step-by-step guide. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step. Starting with stage number 1, understanding SEO. Here, your first step is to review SEO best practices and then review data about successful SEO. Next, you're going to understand SEO technology and then review demand gen and SEO together in a report. In stage 2, you're going to evaluate readiness. And here, your first step is to assess your SEO maturity and then review SEO technology vendors. You're going to evaluate those vendors and determine if you'll use outsourcers. In step 5, you find an SEO expert for your team and then get help with SEO systems, learning how to manage an SEO agency by the end of stage 2. In stage 3, you're going to research keywords. And here, the first step is to build a keyword list. Next, you're going to check the trends for those keywords. And then you're going to move into leveraging your competitors' keywords and sharing keywords with your team, and then ultimately determine the value of the keywords that you're using for your SEO project. In stage 4, you're going to plan using pay-per-click. And here, the first step is to discover how to create agile campaigns and then test keywords using paid Google ads. Ultimately, you're going to discover your competitor's link strategy by the end of stage 4. In stage 5, you're going to implement strategy. And here, the first step is to optimize your web pages for SEO. You follow that by optimizing your blog posts, your mobile SEO, as well as mobile apps, and then YouTube videos as well. Ultimately, you're going to utilize content, social media, and blogging best practices. And that leads us to stage 6, measure results. Here, you're going to set up Google Analytics, as well as Google Webmaster Tools, and then leverage a metrics dashboard. Remember that you can access all of these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the SEO framework. Succeed with search engine optimization by downloading and leveraging this playbook today.